So what is up guys, welcome to HET Tech and Motivation YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing about the ultimate buying guide for MacBooks and Apple Watches in 2019. Yesterday I made a video dedicated on the iPhone buying guide, and today's video is dedicated on the MacBooks and Apple Watches as one of you guys requested me. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see here, we are on our computer screen, and now let's discuss its pricing. So the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch with 1.8 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of SSD in silver color, its price is 71,900 Indian rupees. So this is by far the cheapest MacBook you can get out of Amazon as it for the current range. So if you are in the budget of 70,000 onwards, this is the MacBook for you to go for. Now let's discuss about the new refreshed MacBook Air of 2017. The MacBook Air of 2017 with 13-inch Retina display with 1.6 GHz of dual-core Intel Core i5 processor and 128 gigs of SSD storage. Well, its price is 1,05,990. So you're approximately dealing with 1,06,000 Indian rupees. So this is the next MacBook you can go for. And again, the difference between the first MacBook and the second MacBook is just in the generation, that the first MacBook has a little bit outdated, or you can say a older design with a bit of a thick bezels, and with the new MacBook Air it has a Retina display and has way less bezels than its earlier predecessor model. Now let's talk about the MacBook Air with the 256 gig variant capacity. It's not listed on Amazon, but its current price is 1,12,000 Indian rupees. So guys, this has been a video this part of the video has been for the MacBooks, and the best MacBook you can get as of for now is the MacBook Air. As you can see here, I'm showing this, the MacBook Air 13-inch Retina display model with 128 gigs of SSD storage. With SSD storage, you can export 4K quality content, movies, videos, let it be anything, with a way faster time than your normal Windows computer does. So the SSD storage really makes a lot of speed changes in the MacBook lineup. So this has been the best MacBook, and this is the best selling MacBook even in the current time. So guys, now let's talk about the Apple Watch, and that's the most interesting topic for many people because the Apple Watch is really changing, and the Apple Watch Series 4 has a revolutionary design. So guys, now let's search for Apple Watch series. So let's search for Apple Watch. So as you can see here, the Apple Watch Series 4 with the aluminum space gray chassis housing with 44mm, its price is 40,900 rupees, and the one with the 38mm Series 3 version has the price of 28,900 rupees. The Apple Watch Series 4 with cellular and 44mm band and with the Milanese loop. That's a Milanese loop is one of the bestest quality material bands you can ever find, and its price is 80,900 rupees. And the as you can see, if you are not familiar with the Apple Watch band series, well, it comes with the pre-installed silicone band. It comes after that with a nylon band, and then there is the Milanese loop version, and there is also a stainless steel bracelet, kind of a different metal bracelet, which is very rarely sold by Apple. And there's also the watch Hermes edition, and there are a lot of edition watches, like the watch is made up of pure ceramic, and they stack a lot of money. They even go sometimes for 20 lakhs or 24 karat gold Apple Watch version. So that is one of the most expensive watches you can get. So the Apple Watch Series 4's price basically is 40,000 rupees, and if you are searching this Apple Watch on offline or if for a second-hand value, you will get this for 35 to 30,000, 30,000 to 35,000 rupees range. So next stuff, So you will even sometimes be treated on Amazon. They might even show you the Fitbit versions. They might even show you other Motorola watches and everything. And also there are bands available for the Apple watches. So most likely Amazon is not the perfect place to get an Apple Watch, I personally suggest, because the price which you can see here they offer is a little bit ridiculous. If you will see the Apple Watch Series 1, the 38mm, which still has no problem, technically it functions as it should, and on the Chroma website or on Flipkart, its price is somewhere between 18,000 to 21,000 rupees. While the Series 2 Apple Watch starts with the price range of 28,000, while the Series 3 Apple Watch in 38mm and 44mm, it starts with 30,000 rupees variant, and now the recent Series 4 Apple Watch starts with a pricing of 40,000 rupees. But aside from a newer perspective, if you're looking for a second-hand watch, then I think the best watch you should go for is the Apple Watch Series 4. And also if you're going for a new Apple Watch, you should take into consideration the Apple Watch Series 4 only. Just because Apple Watch Series 4 supports a beautiful OLED display which actually is cut to cut with the bezels, and it seamlessly blends with the aluminium unibody. And one technical function you are getting more in that watch is that you are now able to calculate your ECG with the help of the crown of your Apple Watch. So that's again one of the best features to have, and it makes a perfect health companion. So anybody if has any health problems or you need to take care of your health, this is the best. And if you any fitness training, everything, that's just that works beautifully. And the smart iOS integration really doesn't make you feel different while using a smartphone, inside iPhone or an Apple Watch. The experience actually seamlessly blends with each other. So guys, again, thanks for watching this video, because yesterday's video you gave a lot of support, and thank you for that. And today's video also, I'm hoping that you're liking this video. And guys, stay tuned for more videos in the future. This has been a pretty small video, but as you can see, the editing is changing, the way I am making the videos is changing. So our channel is seeing a lot of changes as if for now. So guys, again, share this video with your friends and others, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment how was this video and which video you want to see next. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account link is given in the description box. And also I want to point out a mistake I yesterday did, that I had prepared a website on the iPhone buying guide. The video I made yesterday, for that I have prepared a website, so I was not able to put that in yesterday's video, but in today's video's description box there is a link for the website. So all of the pricing which I have discussed in my yesterday's video of the iPhones is going to be there on the website, and there are also links which will take you towards Amazon's link where you can buy that iPhone. So again, thanks for watching this video, and hope so you have liked this video, and meet you in the next one. Till then, peace.